Many years ago, Teknion was challenged with the launch of a new case good line that was highly configured, large scope, and that we needed to get it to market very quickly. At that time, we selected Insight.
Teknion is a make-to-order company that offers a high degree of customization in a competitive time frame. Products ordered can be selected as a standard from one of our many wood catalogs, or as a variation of that standard, or a completely custom design.
The big changes we've seen, our overall production time through the facility has been cut almost in half, or probably more than half.
They confirm the orders and then send their POs direct to suppliers. That makes avoid a lot of manual intervention, and system does the job itself.
With the help of Insight, by standardizing our processes, we were able to reduce the engineering workforce by 70%.
So the beauty really is that no two products are exactly alike. So every desk, every credenza, every bookcase is unique per project, per office, and even individual.